I'm here with the Bedsure heated blanket, and I just want to test this out and see what we get in the box. So let's unbox this and see where we're at. So it just got a little pull tab over here and another one here. So I saw this brand and it looked really premium. You have like generic ones that you can buy, but this Bedsure one, it looked really cool or really warm. So just want to test this out for myself and see if this is something that I can recommend to you guys. So here it is, the Bedsure. Oh, that's packaged really, really well. So it's really flat, so it's not, doesn't take up too much space when shipping this. So let's see what this will look like when we unpack it. Oh, look at that. That's so nice and soft. It smells fresh, like freshener. And then we have like the tab in here where you can put in the heater, I think. So we have that. Let's see what else is there. Okay, yeah. So here's the book and a little, just a hard cardboard thing to keep everything together. And look how soft that is. You can get these Bedsures in a few different configurations, like with different outer layers, I think. I really like this one with the ribs and that gray over there, and the lining is for everyone, it's the same, I think, with this soft lining in there. And I already can feel like cables going through here where the heat will go through. Then we have the remote and the cable. And so you need to be like pretty close to an outlet here because it's not that long. You can of course have an extension cord like near your couch or something, or near your bed where you want to use this. But this is like the weird connector. And then where did we have that connection? Let's see. I just had it a minute ago somewhere. And then we started to look for, oh yeah, that's over here, all the way over here. Let's connect this and then try and turn it on. I have an outlet right here in the desk, so I can put that in there. And then the remote will turn on. Okay, so we have a power button here, so let's press that. Okay, so now that is on, and then we can set the temperature, I think with this one. Oh, preheat. Is it preheat here, or is it turned off now? Did you turn it off? Oh yeah, so I can set that here. You have a preheat setting here, and then also a timer. So that's cool if you're planning to use this on the couch or in your bed. If you're planning to go to sleep or you're afraid you're going to sleep, you can set the timer here for like an hour, up to 8 hours, and then it will shut off automatically. So now we have this on setting 4. And let's see if this thing will heat up now. So I'm not liking the cable that much. It's not that long. This is about as long as it gets here. So that's, you don't have a lot of wiggle room here with that cable. So I think you almost definitely will need to use an extension cord when using this. But let's put this over myself just a little bit so I don't mess my mic up. Okay, so and there are these lines moving through the blanket all the way across here, and it's pretty long. So I think that's nice too. Oh, it's already getting warm, so that's nice. This is like the 4 setting, It's getting warm pretty quickly. So let's go to 5, 6, 7. Oh, so it has 6 heating settings. So from 1 to 6, let's set it to the highest one. And then see what that does. Oh yeah, it's already getting warm now. So that's nice, and it's so soft. Wow, this is really, even the outer layer here. And if you're planning on getting this, I definitely recommend this version. But other versions are very good as well. And then this inner lining, it's so soft. Yeah, really soft. You can't feel that through the camera, so you just have to describe it just a little bit. Like it looks like this sheep's wool here. And now it's really getting warm. Yeah. So I think the 6th setting is a little bit too high for me. I'm going with like the middle ground 3. I think that's better. But of course, if you're really cold, or you're in cold temperatures, then you can set this to anything that you'd like. And it's already warm by itself, of course, because it's such a thick and warm blanket. And I like that all of these cables are running all the way across here. So here's one, here's one, here's one. So one every 10 centimeters or a couple inches. And one every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every 6 of these ribs here. So very often. It's quite nice. Great. I hope this video has helped you make a choice. I'm going to test this out over the winter here in the Netherlands, and I'll see you on the next one.